Hello friends, I am talking with you and you will be answering me. When I am talking with you, this is my own speech, and when you are answering me, that is your own speech. So my speech and your speech, all these are direct speeches. I am first person and you are second person. We are talking with each other, and there is another person, he is third person, she is third person. The third person who is listening to us, the third person will narrate what we are discussing to other. When the third person is discussing what we are talking here, that will be his own speech. That is the third speech. First speech, second speech, and the third speech. The third person will narrate our conversation in his own word. Look here, how interesting. I am talking, this is my own speech. You are talking, this is your own speech. But the third person, he will be narrating our conversation. This is called narration change or direct and indirect speech. Look at the sentences. Tom says Raj is a good boy. This verb, look at this verb, says. This is called reporting verb. Okay, and there is a comma, there is inverted commas or quotation mark. I have put this speech Raj is a good boy within quotation as it is the direct speech of Tom. Tom says Raj is a good boy. Raj is a good boy. This particular part is the direct speech of Tom. So I have written this speech within quotation mark. And this verb, it is the reporting verb of Tom. Tom is using this verb to report what is there. After this, look at the second sentence. Look at the sentences. Tom says that I have used that. I have omitted comma and inverted comma and used that to join the two parts. That is another verb, there is another verb is. So this is another speech and this is another speech. To join the two sentences, I have used that. After this, I have omitted inverted commas or quotation marks. Tom says that Raj is a good boy. This is reported speech. At the same time, number one, this is direct speech, and number two, this is indirect speech. I can write here direct speech of Tom, and this is indirect speech of Tom. And it has been narrated by the other person, so it is called narration change. Okay, this is the first thing I have discussed with you. So remember to learn narration change in this way so that you can learn narration change very perfectly. And we will discuss more about narration change in the next class. Thank you all.